nice cue. What are we doing? Are we doing glasses off?
I thought so. It was a little bit much, I felt like. Today, we are going to Frozen Head State Park in Tennessee. And we brought a picnic and our jet boil to make some coffee. So we are going to have a little picnic lunch. We're going to do a little hiking. We're going to get a stamp for our books. And then I can collage a little bit more for us. So it's, what's the temperature? 43. So it's not so bad. So we have over an hour long drive to get here. But we're gonna go check it out. And we thought we'd bring you with us to check out the park and picnic lunch.
Picnic luncheon.
Picnic luncheon in the state park. So we'll see you there.
Yes, sir. So we just got to the park, but we pulled over to take a quick picture of the sign.
Natural area. Who knew? Ooh, look at this sign.
That's what I was showing you.
This looks good. All right. Why don't you get in front of this, Joe? And I'll take your picture there. Oh, give me the camera. It looks so good.
Saw your what?
All my notebooks in it.
I thought you said knickknacks.
Notebooks. Gotta be able to see. I'm getting old.
Gotta be able to see that there's a correct date on the stamp.
Last time.
Unlike that other twit.
All right, so let's cross our fingers. We can touch the stamp.
Yeah. I told Annie that's her new house. That's where she's sleeping tonight, over there.
That's where Joe's sleeping.
I don't think so.
If he forgot one thing for this picnic.
The visitor center is nice and big.
It's really nice and big.
It's cold.
Chimney Top Trailhead. There's one.
Huh.
It is kind of cold over here.
That's what I'm saying.
It was much warmer at our house. I brought a winter jacket. So let's also see if we can get some goodies. We like merch around here.
Well, you can tell an Annie sweatshirt from our other video.
Yeah.
Is there an indoor pool?
So we have these things. Oh, this one's holographic.
With Sasquatch.
It hurts my eyes.
Okay.
This is you. Walking nice and slow. Oh,
This is a fun one. I like how it
oh
faded.
look.
Yeah.
So I need 3 stickers at least for each notebook. Oh, they have. This one. Oh, they have a neck gaiter, Joe. Oh, this is fun. This one. The color. Oh, the birds is cool. This is what we need. Frozen Head. These are playing cards, but they're the state, like, for the different parks.
That's fun.
You want to do that for $10? There's a constellation finder book.
That's cool.
Oh, mushroom finder. You must be able to get mushrooms.
I told you I saw a turkey tail mushroom in that hike in the woods.
Here, I'll play it here. So we have our stamp for this. We have this. for crafting here. This is for the bag that we do, and then we have a magnet.
Looks good.
So we're looking for
Emery Gap, right there.
yeah,
See the
but
ball?
where should we picnic?
Oh,
So we're here, and we
you
saw.
pass that. Looks
Which-
like there's
which-
another one if you go further, right there.
Okay. Yeah, so we could do
So we
that.
could look at what that looks like.
All right. Ready? So you're here, and we're gonna go.
All the way to the end of Panther Branch Trailhead to the start, and then we'll go up
might
to.
go here, but we'll see.
We'll see.
How we're feeling.
See how we're feeling.
I think we should visit him.
The prison?
The bug.
Oh, I didn't even see it. Oh, is he okay? Quit your yapping and get to hiking.
Correct. Yeah, so this has got to be Love Mountain.
You went. They have fishing.
They have fishing. It says that Flat Fork Creek is stocked with rainbow trout.
Twat.
It says that you can swim in the creek here.
Oh, down in the creek?
So it says you can swim in Flat Fork Creek. Where would that be? Figured out where you can swim in this creek here. Says that there's historical significance here. In 1894, the state acquired a large area in Morgan County for the Brushy Mountain State Prison. Coal was deep mined by convict labor, and the trees were harvested to supply timbers for the mines. The land was transferred to the state parks in 1970 and became Frozen Head State Park. In 1988, most of the state park acreage was classified as a state natural area. I collage in here, and so like every single page has like, oh, we went here on the 29th, or like we went to Norris Dam on December 22nd, or like Tellico Blockhouse, and like I put all these pictures in here and collage of our time. And so in the book I also saved like the pamphlets from every single one we go to. So I was asking her, so like we could just have this when we like want to look back at memories.
In our last video, you saw that, or on 2 videos ago, you saw that we weren't allowed to stamp our own, and it was the wrong date.
Here it is. I fixed it.
So here's the fixed version of it. But it was very funny this time because now Annie's on high alert. She was like, I'll give me the stamp.
I said to her, I'm like,
Give me the goddamn stamp.
so she was nice. She let us stamp. And then we got the pamphlet to put in there too. So that's what I was looking for. While we're here, I bought this sticker to put somewhere here.
It's another picnic area.
Yeah.
So we're gonna be doing Emery Falls and DeBoard Falls, so 2, and it's about like what I think she said 2.6 miles round trip. It's an in and out trail. We always like to do, if we can, find loop trails because then it's just a little less boring. But in and out is fine too.
All right.
You look angry.
walk together. Ooh, tight.
Probably should have taken a picture of the map, huh?
Right there. Take it now. Take one now.
Got pretzel in your tooth?
Yeah.
Here, I got some in my pocket, some loose ones.
Oh, yeah. Oh, emergency contact. We should definitely know that. Beautiful. Temperature's pretty good. Not a big elevation.
Ooh, look at that.
Ooh.
That's cool.
All right. Here we go.
Oh, you go, there's stairs. You go down.
Oh, okay.
Okay, stupid. Watch your step.
Watch your step.
Oh, go back. Oh, you can go all the way down. That's cool. Yeah.
What do you think?
Really cool. Oh, let's take a picture. Half mile to go for the second fall. How are you feeling?
Good. So you'd have to be there. look at that rock. You gotta go down. That's fine. Where am I covering?
Yeah. Is this gonna fit? Is this a standard size picnic table? I think it might be too long.
Yeah. And then we can put bags down there too. This probably won't fit either.
We'll just do it where we're sitting.
Maybe we'll do it that side.
No, we're gonna sell them from inside.
Oh, we stand here on 225.
Stand each other's sold.
Right here.
Oh.
You don't open that one. And we could put some chips somewhere. So we have blue almond, blueberry almonds. They're really, really good. We have some nectarines. We have some Korean beef jerky. We have steakhouse jerky. We have tuna, cheese, dip, veggies, and chips and pretzels. How is this?
Just like steak.
Really good. So what do you think of the hike?
It was good. I'm tired.
Me too. It was really good. It was popular though.
The hike that we just went on, 2.81 miles, and it took us an hour and 43 minutes. Very good. So our elevation, we went 1,980 feet. That's pretty cool.
And we have some homemade cowboy candy to put on top of this. I used a beefy onion packet, and I was like, oh, it's going to taste different. It doesn't taste any different. I want to find antique Tupperware ones.
Should have brought a camping plates.
Camping plates? We don't have any. Oh, yeah. We just bought them. How did I forget that?
I think I do taste the difference.
A little bit.
I like it better.
Do you really? I've never seen beefy onion mix.
Love a good poo-poo platter.
Do you think things taste better outside?
Especially like hot food, like grilled food.
So we saw 2 waterfalls. Which ones?
Emery, Gap Falls.
Something with the G.
Yeah.
But you should do it for both both waterfalls. Don't skip it.
And we lucked out like going this time of year, you saw there's like a ton of icicles, and it just looks really cool.
Mm-hmm.
You just gotta make sure you're not lingering underneath those big things there, because they were starting to melt in the sun. So
Yeah, we're falling off.
they were falling off. So, no coffee?
No coffee. I mean, you could if you want black coffee. Oh, so weird.
So we were gonna do jet boiled coffee, and we forgot the cream. So
That's where Joe's sleeping. If he forgot one thing for this picnic.
so now we're just gonna clean up and have no coffee today, and drive home with our heads in shame. That sucks.
Mm-hmm. That sucks.
That sucks. That sucks big ass.
There was a Dutch Bros on the way here.
Pay for my coffee like some chump.
Excuse me. We forgot the cream for our...
Excuse me, I know you're standing outside in this 40-degree weather. Sorry to trouble you, I forgot cream.
I knew, I was like...
Did you pack cream? I didn't know that was for me.
100% that was for me. Where was it? I literally didn't even see it in there.
Probably on the island.
I didn't even put it in the cooler.
That's like the most important part.
The most
Because
important.
even if you don't have sugar, you can do the cream.
What a bummer.
Well, thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry we couldn't make coffee with you all, but we're gonna have to go buy some now like jerks.
I can't go all day without coffee.
No, we can't either, but it was a beautiful day today. Thankful we were able to come out here and share all this with you. It was really fun.
We'll see you in the next one. Bye. Well, couldn't make it anymore. So now we are getting some coffee because we're dying. We did not have our morning coffee because we thought we'd be making in the park. So here we are. Okay. Here we are. There's so much coffee, it's crazy. Try it before we leave.
I don't even know where we're going.
Yeah, we're getting back on that main road where those people are. But just wait, try it for 2 seconds. No one's
Gotta go.
Okay, I guess we can't wait. This way. All right, here.
Why am I trying it first?
Try it.
It's so good.
We got an iced latte with I think they call it like a vanilla
Soft top.
soft top. So
It's really good.
Nothing like it. Ooh. Okay, so now we're happy. We got our iced coffee. All right, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.